Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first three-dimensional model in Blender. So, if you're completely new to Blender, don't worry. Yeah, we'll go through the basic tools step by step and build a simple model together. First, launch Blender and create a new general project if it doesn't open automatically. You'll see the default cube in the center of the workspace. This cube is a great starting point for learning basic modeling. Before editing the object, take a moment to move around the scene. Hold the middle mouse button to rotate the view. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out, and hold Shift with the middle mouse button to pan across the workspace. Getting comfortable with navigation makes modeling much easier. Now select the cube and press Tab to enter edit mode. From here, you can select vertices, edges, or faces to change the shape of the object. Try selecting a face and moving it upward using the Move tool. You can also scale or rotate parts of the model to create a custom shape. If you want to create something more detailed, press Shift plus A to open the Add menu. From there, you can insert objects like a sphere, cylinder, cone, or plane. These basic shapes can be combined and edited to build more complex models. Once you're happy with your model, go to the File menu and choose Save As. Select a location on your computer, give your project a name, and save the Blender file. That way, you can come back and continue editing whenever you want. And that's it. You just created your first three-dimensional model in Blender. It may be simple, but it's the perfect starting point for learning more advanced modeling techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.